Good morning, my name is Achonwa Emmanuel Chukwudi, and I'm a 300 level student of the Department of Theatre and Film Studies, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Okay, so I picked University of Nigeria, Nsukka because, well, they have a lot of things to offer. They have a lot to offer educationally and otherwise. Like, you learn everything educationally and then you still get some other knowledge outside education and other. And I choose theater arts because, well, it's me. It's just me. It's not like a choice thing. It's more or less like it's me. So I want to hone my skills as an actor, a voice actor, so many things, an editor, a cinematographer, photographer, phone photographer, so many things. Like, it's a really good theater arts. It's something. It's a passion. It's what I love. So that's why I'm doing it. And the University of Nigeria, it's a very, very good environment for learning theater arts. Aside theater arts, any other thing you want to learn, the University of Nigeria, Nsukka is a great choice.